Hi guys, as you can see, I'm not there again today. No matter how much you try, sometimes you just can't escape the COVID pandemic right now. So if you could, you're going to be doing two things for me today in class. The first thing you're going to be doing is working on pages 411 through 414 or 413 in your math books. The second thing you're going to be doing is working on checking what you are missing from your math book. So the second part of class's activity today is going to be going to this website, and you're going to be checking your math book for missing work. So we are about done with our first math book. We're going to get rid of it when I get back. We're going to recycle it, get rid of it, and we're going to go into our second book. So that means everything you're missing from the first book has to be ripped out and taken care of, because we're tossing out that math book. There's no way you can make up work if it's literally gone. So you're going to open up your math book to the following pages, and I want you to star and circle the following problems. If you have these pages in your math book, that means you are missing them in the grade book. So if they're in your math book, they're not in my grade book. So make sure you rip out these pages and use whatever time you can find to complete these problems. So I put this in here on the site that you are going to check off these pages in your math book. So literally open up your math book to page 93, look and see if you have that page in there. If you do, that means I don't have it in my math book and you have a 0 for that. So make sure you rip it out. Go ahead and circle the numbers 1, 2, and 3 and put it on the side of your desk. And then check and see the next page and the next page. At the end, you're going to check off all your boxes, make sure that you have looked at them all, then submit it so I know you went through your math book. If you have checked and all your pages are done, or you've ripped them all out already, then you can go ahead and try these different links. But if you rip out a page, you want to make sure you get it done and turned in, so use your time wisely. So that's the second thing you're going to do in class today. The first thing you're going to do in class today is open up your book to page 411 with me. Whoever is the sub in the room, if you want to go ahead and pause so they can open up their book. So on page 411, we are working with finding distance on a coordinate plane. So in class today, you're going to be looking at a couple different pages, finding different distances, but I figured we can do the first page together, just like notes as if I was in class with you. So we're going to be finding the distance between Taylor's house and the school. So step 1 is to find the coordinates of Taylor's house and the school. So if we look up at our grid here, Taylor's house is this point right here. So our coordinate points are always going to be X first and then Y. Ooh, I'm really bad at typing or writing, I'm sorry. X and then Y. So Taylor's house here is going to be starting at the origin. How far do we move on our X? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how far do we move on our Y? So how far do we go up? 1, 2, 3. So there's Taylor's house. And what is the school? Well, we got to make sure our X is first. So how many do we go right or left? 1, 2. And then how far do we go up or down? 1, 2, 3. So here are our coordinates: 5, 3, and 2, 3. 5. Ooh, that's terrible. Nobody make fun of me for that 3 when I get back. I should be back on Wednesday, by the way. So we have 5, 3, and 2, 3. The next part of this question is asking, write the X coordinates for each location in the table. Well, Taylor's house, the X coordinate is 5. X always comes first. The school, the X coordinate is 2. Find the difference between the X coordinates. So what does difference mean? Difference means, I don't know if you can hear Ben, but he's in the background. Difference means you're going to subtract. 5 minus 2 gives you 3. All right. Now it wants to go ahead and draw a line connecting the points on the coordinate grid. And then count those. 1, 2, 3. My video is about to end, but you should find that it's the same. You're going to go ahead and complete the next couple pages. Be good.